Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are always welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share this video and also like it. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make these delicious crunchy and chewy chocolate chip cookies. All the ingredients will be available in the description box below. I'm going to start off with half a cup of margarine butter. I recommend you use margarine butter. So what you're going to do is just to let it cool down for some minutes. After the butter has cooled down, we are going to add half a cup of white sugar, and then we are also going to add 1/3 cup of dark brown sugar plus 2 more tablespoons of dark brown sugar. The reason why I'm using 2 different types of sugar is that we want a crunchy and chewy cookie. The dark brown sugar makes the cookie to be chewy, and the white sugar makes the cookie to be crunchy. You can use white sugar, but just take note that if you only use white sugar, your cookie will be crunchy. And after that, we're just going to mix everything together very well. After mixing everything together, we are going to add in 1 egg, and then we're just going to continue mixing it together very well. To this, we are going to add half a teaspoon of baking soda and then a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add salt just because I'm using unsalted butter, but if you're using salted butter, there's no need to add salt. We're also going to add 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla extract or essence, and then we just want to mix everything together very well. After that, we are going to add 1⅓ cup of cake wheat flour. You can also use all-purpose flour. Today I'm using this type of chocolate flavored drop. You can use any type of chocolate chip, and if you do not have chocolate chips, then you can get a chocolate bar and just cut it up into smaller pieces. And 1 tub of this type of chocolate drops is 50 grams. Together they are 100 grams, and they make up half a cup of chocolate chips. And then after adding the chocolate chips to the mixture, we're just going to mix it together very well until a dough is formed. I decided to add 1 tablespoon of cake wheat flour, and now I'm just going to mix it together. In a baking tray, I've placed some waxed paper. So I'll be using a tablespoon to scoop out the cookie dough. And then you're just going to place it onto the baking tray like that. Make sure you leave some spaces between the cookie doughs, because as the cookie dough is cooking, it starts to spread out, and you don't want your cookie dough to stick to the other cookie dough and it will be just messy. So try to leave some spaces between the cookie doughs. And now we're just going to bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for ±10 minutes. It has been 10 minutes and the cookies are done baking. We're just going to let them cool down, and then after that we're going to remove them from the baking tray. And there we have it, guys. We just made our chocolate chip cookies. These cookies are so delicious. They are crispy on the outside and chewy on the inside, and you can enjoy them with a glass of milk. I personally enjoy them while they are still warm, so You just grab some milk and dip them into the milk. It's just a great treat. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. If you know somebody who likes to cook, please don't forget to share this video with them. And if you are not subscribed yet, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It really helps out. And don't forget to cook, eat, and enjoy your food. Bye! See you in the next video.